Okay, this is POLKABRIDGE PBR, and this is Equal Surf Ireland Crypto. And if you like my content, give me a like and give me a subscribe. These are just my own charts, my own thinkings, my own ramblings. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So don't go away and think that this is going to happen. If Bitcoin decides to dump in a second or in a couple of minutes or goes down $1,000, you will see the candles on this chart disappear, and everything I say here will essentially be invalid. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. I'm working on KuCoin. This is my very first chart on KuCoin. I have very little data, but I'm going down small time frames here. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart, and you're all probably freaking out, going, "Oh my God, it's broken $3. What the hell are we going to do?" You know, there's no need to panic at all. Okay, this is the cycle. Okay, POLKABRIDGE has had like 40-50% increases in the past 2 days, where every other coin was going down. This is normal. Okay, this is normal. You'll get a retracement. All right, after a massive pump, you will get a retracement. Okay, so what I'm looking for here, personally, is I'm seeing it in a falling wedge. And again, this is the 15-minute chart. This is not, this is not, I can't see, I can't, there's very little I can work with here. But what I'm seeing right now is a falling wedge. We've massive resistance here. And I wouldn't even say massive resistance. It is a resistance line that we need to break up above. Okay, so this baby here is holding us down. Okay, you can clearly see that. It's holding us down. It's stopping us from moving. Okay, so it's squashing us down. All right, we need to break this. Okay, this is our resistance. We need to break this first. So this is so much easier to chart on than Uniswap, by the way. But this line needs to break. Okay, right? So we have, what do we have here? Support. We've 1, 2, 3, 4 touches of support. This is good support. You can see right now, I'm going to go zoom in. It's now it's bounced off the support essentially twice, just here. Okay, so twice we've hit the support line, and that's confirmation of support. Why is it confirmation of support? Because we have another touch here. Okay, and we have low support here as well. So this baby here at $2.86 is good support right now, and we have our trend line here, which is also really good support. It's maintaining that support. So what do I expect to happen? So if this follows where I think it's going to go, and this is my own thoughts, okay, and right now, yes, POLKABRIDGE had a massive explosion in the past couple of days, and I'm only looking at the charts, and the charts tell me this will go back up again. Okay, so there's no need to panic in my eyes, and I'm certainly not panicking, especially where I see where POLKABRIDGE can go. All right, so what am I expecting? I'm expecting this baby to retrace eventually. Okay, so I would expect it to break this resistance and make it back up to $3.12. Now I'm going to put in the psychological level, the one I'm always talking about, of $3. Okay, again, why is $3 a psychological level? Because people sell at the those levels, at the levels of, oh my God, it's wherever they see 000, they will sell. Okay, so this is your $3 level. So what we need, you can even see here, it's been held as support. We broke the $3 level, boom, we're down. Now we're testing down here. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in a small bit if I can. Might even go to the 5-minute chart, make it a bit easier for you. Okay, so what I expect to see, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a break up here, back up to test $3. Okay, so we've tested this support down here. Okay, and we have the support trend line here as well, and we have the bottom support here. So there's 2 points of confluence. So I'm looking for it to go back up to $3, attack $3. Okay, what'll probably happen when we get up to $3? This is what I'm thinking. Again, I could be wrong. Okay, we'll probably come up here, we'll hit this, we'll come back down, we'll retest $3. We'll come back again, get squashed in here, being held by the resistance, get squashed in against 3. Okay, now what we could do here is we could pop out and start making a move for $3.12, but we won't do it straight away. We'll come back, test the trend line, back test the trend line, and make another move for $3.12, which is our next target. Okay, and that is our trend line. We have to back, once we break out of this, we have to back test it. Okay, or we might do something like this. We'll break up, break $3 and do, I'm going to go back to this one here, and we'll fall back down. Okay, and I see a tiny bit of support where we are now, 294, but we'll come back down, maybe back down here again and retest the low here, and we might even break this low, but as long as we're holding the white trend line. Okay, you can see that. So what I'm saying is we could go up here, come back down, break the red trend line, do not panic. We could break 286. Okay, we could come back up, we could come back in, down again. Okay, now what is happening here? We're going into the apex of the formation. Okay, right, the further in we go, the more explosive the move. All right, so I would be expecting something like this. When we get in here, this is a falling wedge, these break up. I would be expecting breakout, retest, and up to $3. Break $3, come back, retest $3, up to 312. Back test 312. Okay, up to 329 is the next fib. Okay, now where are we going? What's my target? Okay, so I'll show you where my next target is. Okay, my target is up at the 0.618. And why is it up at the 0.618? Okay, I'm just going to delete this. Why is it up here? Okay, why is it up at the 0.618? Everybody's asking why? Okay, so we've made our way up, and I expect it to retrace back to 356. Why? That is the golden pocket, the 0.618. Between the 0.618 and the 0.786, all moves will make a retracement back to that. Okay, so what do I mean by that? You have one big move here. Okay, provided this is the bottom, and it looks like to me we're in a falling wedge, which break up. Okay, the move, this whole move will technically retrace back to the 0.618 minimum and make a reaction there. There will be a reaction here. Okay, and what do I mean by reaction? It'll either A, decide, okay, I'm going to break through and continue on to 375, or I'm going to get up there, hit it, test it, and come back down and test 343, and then maybe make another break for it, okay? Or reverse. So I won't know until we start getting up there. But again, this isn't going to happen straight away, okay? Where we are right now takes time. We had a huge pump, and it's correcting right now, okay? But that's what I'm expecting POLKABRIDGE to be doing. I do expect it to get back up to the 0.618 fib level up here from this overall move. This is a retracement back up if this is the bottom, okay? And that's what I'm thinking. We are in a lovely falling wedge resistance. This needs to break, and we have some good support here underneath, and we have the support coming across here as well, okay? So don't panic. I do expect it to make a break back up. Again, this is not financial advice. These are my own thoughts. The 0.618 is where it will go back to, into the golden retracement. That's what I'm expecting to over time. This won't happen straight away, but just hold tough, don't panic, and that's what I am expecting myself personally from POLKABRIDGE to make its way back up to the $3.56 area. To break the 347 level. So this is a lot easier to work on now that it is on KuCoin. It's just, you know, I don't have much data to work with. Bear in mind, this is the 15-minute chart. Okay, I might even go to the 30-minute. Okay, so the 30-minute, it's a bit clearer. So this is the, I'm not, you know, there's very low time frames here at the moment, guys. Okay, and even if I look at the stochastics, you know, the stochastic 30-minute is at the bottom, which tells me, yes, a reversal should be coming in soon. Okay, so we should have a reversal coming in soon. The 1 hour is at the bottom as well. Okay, so there's no 2 hour. So there's very, very little to work with, but the 1 hour is telling me, yes, there will be a bounce coming in soon on POLKABRIDGE. When it does start bouncing, we are in a falling wedge, and I do expect it to break up and out, something like this. And our first psychological target is $3, which is here. Okay, you'll see a reaction. It's even hit it already, but I do expect it to break out, come back test this area here, okay, which is the resistance. It wants to turn it into support and then make it move to 312, come back test it, up to 329, back test it, up to 343, back test it, and then hit our golden pocket at 356, and then make a decision of what it wants to do, either go on through the golden pocket up to the 0.786 or reverse. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. I'm looking to see where it's going to go. All right, so that is POLKABRIDGE updated on kucoin chart. Much easier to see, much easier to read. We're in a falling wedge as far as I can tell, and we are oversold on the hourly and the 30-minute, and the 50-minute is pretty low as well. The 5-minute is low, so yeah, I would be expecting a bit of a bounce coming up soon. Yeah, so all right, so that's POLKABRIDGE, guys. That's your quick morning update. No panic. Everybody stay calm. Take a chill pill. Like and subscribe, guys. And, you know, I've better charts now. It's easier to see what I'm doing. And we can even see here on the 30-minute, we're having a bit of a movement already. Okay, so this is Surf Ireland Crypto. Give me a like and give me a subscribe. Awesome.